Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 GMC 2500 Denali HD 4x4 with the 6.6 liter Duramax engine and Allison transmission. And that is running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. This vehicle does have a clean title. Has the fog lights up front, tow hooks, polished alloy wheels. Does have a spray-on bed liner and a bed cover as well. Does have the tow package, bumper steps, power sliding back window. All right, with that I'll go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. So it does have black leather interior and an additional power outlet back there. Up here you can see the VIN right here, and I will upload some still photos as well. So it does have a Bose sound system, 2 driver presets, your towing settings, 2 and 4-wheel drive. We need to turn that down. Okay. Alright, so you see that it does have 63,601 miles on this vehicle. Your heated steering wheel, your cruise control, push to talk, trip computer toggles. You see that you have either cooled or heated front seats. And as you come down here, you have 2 USBs, 2 12 volts, and a 110 volt outlet right there. Spots to put your phone, cup holders, and then wireless charging. There are additional power supplies in here as well. 2 USBs and a 12 volt, 2 glove compartments. Then as you turn on the stereo, you'll see that it has AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. And then you also have a disc drive right here. You have navigation and text messaging. There's our backup camera with backup sensors. And it does warn you if you're near something. Okay, and then there are 2 glove compartments, map reading lights, and your controls for your sunroof and your rear power sliding back window. And that about wraps it up for this Denali on the interior. As I mentioned, this vehicle does have a clean title. For more information, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.